Okay, welcome to everyone. So today we will solve some of the example which is based on how to convert units of a kg to gram. Okay, so simply first of all let's learn that which type of weights we can observe in our daily life. For example, here you can see here is a 2 kg weight is given, then 1 kg weight, 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram and 50 gram. So these are the weights that usually you can observe in vegetable markets. अब ये इस टाइप के जो वेट्स है आपने वेजिटेबल मार्केट्स में देखे होंगे. जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ वेजिटेबल लेने जाते हो तब बोलते हो कि मुझे 1 kg फ्रूट्स दो या फिर हाफ के जी टोमेटोज़ दो, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ. सो ये यूनिट्स किस तरह कन्वर्ट किए जाते हैं, दैट हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट इट. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 kg इज़ गिवन, बट how can we convert 1 kg into grams? So let's see. Okay, so first of all, as you can see that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. It means suppose if you are taking 1 kg weight, so it is equally to the 1000 gram. Okay, मतलब 1 kg का weight 1000 gram इतना equal होता है. So easily we can understand, if 1 kg is equal to 1000, then half kg means what? Half kg means उसका आधा. So it will be 1000 का half kg कितना होता है? Yes, it's a 500 gram. So what is the half of half kg? It is equal to the 500 gram. So here you can see, so this is the weight of 500 gram. It means if we take these two weights of 500 plus 500, then this weight is equal to the 1 kg. Okay, so let's see quarter. As you all know, quarter means what? 1/4 part of a particular, what we will say, any kind of particular numbers. Now here is a quarter means what? Abhi quarter is equal quarter of 1 kg. As you all know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so we have to take the quarter of that 1000. So 1000 के 4 equal parts बनाने, which is equal to 250, 250, 250 and 250. As you all know, 21 ones are 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, then 75 and 100. So it is totally equal to, and 1 0 you have to add it, so it will become 1000. So quarter means 250 gram. Okay, so here you can see. Now how can you use that weight? Yes, because 250 gram is not available, so you can use 200 gram and 50 gram. So this is equal to the 250 gram. Now next one is a 3/4. As you all know, 1/4 is 250, then 3/4 means 1 2 3. So you have to add 250, 250 and 250. So totally it will become 750 ग्राम. अभी ये तो समझ में आ गया. 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000, हाफ kg मीन्स 1000 का हाफ 500, देन क्वार्टर मीन्स 250 एंड 3/4 मीन्स 750. सिंपल. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विच इज़ ऑलरेडी गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. अभी मैंने सिंपल फॉर्म में लिखा है. तो जैसे आपको पता है कि 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000, 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000. So 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000. So it will become 3 ones are 3 and 3 0 as it is. So 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram. Simple? Yes. Now let's see 1.5 kg. Okay, is how much gram? All this quantity we have to convert in a gram. Okay, ये याद रखना है. तो अभी 1.5 kg बोला है, तो आप सभी को पता है 1 kg इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच ग्राम? यस, 1000. सो सिंपली यू हैव टू राइट हियर 1000. एंड पूछा है, एंड का मतलब होता है प्लस. सो एंड इज प्लस एंड हाफ kg. वेयर इज द हाफ kg? हाफ kg इज हियर, इट इज अ 500. सो सिंपली यू हैव टू राइट 500. सो टोटल इट विल बिकम 1500 ग्राम. सिंपल? यस. नाउ लेट्स सी 1.25 kg. So what you have to do? Take the 1 means 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, correct? And a quarter kg means what? 250. So total it will become 1250 gram. Simple? Yes. Now 3 and 3/4 kg. So 3 and 3/4 kg. So what you have to do now, here we have to take the 3 kg first of all. So 3 kg is equal to, yes, it is a 3000. Here already we have found 3 kg means 3000 gram plus 3/4. अभी 3/4 पूछा है, सिर्फ quarter नहीं 3/4. So 3/4 is equal to 750 gram. So here we can write 750. So total it will become, yes, 3750 gram. Okay, so it is equal to 3 and 3/4 kg. And last one you have to solve. It is a 3.5 kg. So here you can take it a 3 kg into gram and half kg into gram. So you have to write it your answer here. Okay. Now let's see how to solve the next question. Now next question is simple. In a next question what you have to solve? Here is a 100 gram and here is a 1000 gram. So 100 grams के कितने weights equal to the 1000 gram? So here is a 100. Now you can take it a table of 100. So 100 tens a 1000. Yes, it means when we are taking that 100 gram weight, so it is easily equal to the 1000. So here I am writing 100 into 10, 1000. Now 200 gram. We 200 grams की कितने weights लगेंगे? 200, 200, 200, 200 and 200. Let's count. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2 5s are 10 is equal to 1000. Means how many weights you have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. And now this question you have to solve. It's a simple one and already we have discussed in the starting of this video.